Hi, this is a demo of how to place the input file for CS11 assignment 4. The input file will be called fraction.txt. This is using the Xcode IDE. So here's our assignment 4. Here's a link to the data file. We click the link and it opens the input file. We'll select all the text and copy it. And then we'll go to Xcode. And on the file menu we'll select new file, and we'll go to other, and we'll select empty, next, and we'll call the file fraction.txt. Create it, and now we'll paste the text into it beginning on line 1. Save the file. Okay, so now we've got our fraction.txt file, and if we try to run the program, we get an error in this basic text routine. Assertion failed. So it says assert in. That means on line 46, we've declared in as a file variable in the file with the file name fraction.txt, but the assert can't find it, so it fails. The way to fix that is to find the executable program. The executable program is found under the products virtual folder. It will have the same name as the project. My project happens to have the name demo. So we'll find where demo it lives on our hard drive by clicking it, right-clicking it or command-clicking it, selecting Show in Finder from the context menu. So here it is. It's way far. Well, where's fraction.txt? Let's show that in Finder. Okay. So it's on my desktop in the project folder. Demo, the executable, is in my library subfolder, developer subfolder, Xcode subfolder, derived data subfolder, demo-gobbledygook subfolder, build, products, debug, and there it is. So if we put fraction.txt in the same folder with demo, we can just drag it there. Our program should be able to find it now because this is the executable, and it should be able to find fraction.txt because it's in the same folder, same directory. Fraction.txt turned red up here because it's no longer in our project folder. So let's just delete it to get rid of the reference. I'll try to run the program again. And this time it worked. So just to go over that one more time, we had created the fraction.txt file. And I believe it was here. Yeah. So as far as Xcode is concerned, it doesn't belong to the project anymore because I deleted it. So we'll just add it back. And we opened it in our Xcode editor. We went File, New, File, Other, Empty, Next. And then we gave it the name fraction.txt. We have it, so I'll just cancel out of this now. But that's how we created the file. Then we had the text from the assignment link. We copied all the text. We pasted it into fraction.txt, saved the file. We tried to run the program. It compiled, but when it got to this point, it failed because I couldn't find project.txt. We found the executable here under the virtual folder called products. Its icon is a little black box. It says it's an executable. So we find that file, and then we just move fraction.txt to the same folder. It's no longer in our project, or it's no longer in our source code, the source code part of our project. So we delete the reference to it, and the program runs successfully.